I'm back with another video. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a little makeup tutorial. I know I haven't done one since like prom, so yeah, I was thinking what's something fun all y'all ladies and guys are into it want to watch me do my ugly makeup, so now I can transform into this ugly boy into a beautiful looking decent human being. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. The first thing we're gonna do is add some primer so my skin don't be looking so disgusting and oily. So we're just gonna use this one, this same one as last time. All right, now that I put that beautiful primer feeling thing on my face, we're gonna be adding some eyebrows to these eyebrows that I haven't done in like months. I haven't done them in like so long. So yeah, we're gonna transform them into beautiful, nice, sharp brows with this kabrow, and we're gonna like carve it out with my Nars concealer. So yeah, look at it. Boom, dog. Okay, I know that was a terrible transition probably, but I tried, dog. I tried. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, my eyebrows are already set in place. Now they look like they actually have some form and shape. They don't look amazing, you know, but they look like something. All right, and I already set my eyes with the same concealer and this e.l.f. primer powder. I don't know, something about e.l.f. So yeah, now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but you know what? This is a learning experience for you and me. All right, well, I don't know what I'm doing, but I put pink on the the crease thingy, like that. It's the pink from my subculture palette. Well, I'm not gonna show you. It's called Roxy. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe I can add orange. I don't know what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, so this is the color that I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a blue. And I thought like blue and baby pink will look cute, but then my eyeshadow I feel like won't match. I don't know. We'll see. We'll keep improvising. You know. We have made some progress. I've made something with my eyes. So I put this orange, at the ends from my Sephora palette, and then I put the pinky glitter from my Sephora palette as well, and then I put some highlighter on it, but then it was too bright and so I didn't like it, so I erased it, and then I put some more of that pinky stuff. So I think that's gonna be it. Excuse me, and then I also put this MAC one. I know I never use MAC because I'm a vegan user when it comes to makeup, but MAC in this purpley color. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna go in with the liner. All right, now that we got the liner on, I know it looks really bad, but my eyeliner looks really uneven and bad. But now we're actually gonna start with the face. We can move on from the eyes because that's it for now. But now I'm gonna add this green stuff and another part of a green stuff, but it's still green concealer. Oh, yes. Sorry, a girl was interrupted. Anyways, like I was saying, so I'm gonna add this green stuff so I could. I hate how I always break out right when I'm supposed to do my makeup. Okay, anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna cover that so it looks less red. All right, I look like a clown. I put some purple concealer under my eyes because I looked it up and it said it was good for dark under bags. And I got some dark bags. Like, I got some pretty bad bags, you know? They're like Beverly Hills girl after going on a shopping spree. I don't know. I'm really bad at metaphors. So yeah, so now I'm gonna use foundation to cover all of this mess up. And I'm gonna use my Lancôme one. Remember from the last video? Yeah, I'm gonna use that. So I just put my foundation on. Now are you ready to put some concealer on to conceal these bags even more? Also, I tied my hair up because it was getting in the way. Alright, so I'm done with the concealer. Now I'm gonna bake this face, put some bronzer and contour so that I could look not like an egg and a ghost. And I'm gonna put blush and I'll be back. before that. Oh, how does it look? Okay, so as you saw in the previous clip, I put on highlighter. You know, I think I'm just gonna link all the stuff below because I think it's just too hard. Oh my god, I actually look cute. Okay, so it didn't come that bad, you know. Like, it's not good, but it's something, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Spray, oil control, oil-free, paraben-free, temperature control technology. And yeah, so there you go. So now that that's set, I'm gonna go in with, this is Maybelline Matte in 656 Clay Crush. Oh, I can't even see my face, but it's because I don't want to take off my chair. But it's like a nice nude lip. I've had it for like years, but like never used it. All right, so there you go. This is the finished product. All right, now I'm gonna change into my outfit. Now presenting Sylvia Rodriguez. The bands on. I bought these shoes from Forever 21. This dress is from Charlotte Russe. These hoops are from Forever 21. So hope you guys like this video. Go like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, okay, peace.